Good morning. I am Alexis Marin Domangas and I will be discuss the electric fields. Electric fields are one of the fundamental concepts in electromagnetism. They describe the interaction between electric charges and the forces they exert on each other. Electric fields can be represented by vectors which indicate the directions and magnitude of the force that positive test charge would experience at a given point in space. The gravitational field G at the point in space due to a source particle was defined in section 11.1 to be equal the gravitational force acting on the test particle of mass divided by the mass. G is equal to F sub G over M. We define the electric field due to the source charge at the location of the test charge to be the electric force on the test charge per unit charge. Or, to be more specific, the electric field vector E at the point in space is defined as the electric force acting on a positive test charge Q placed at the point divided by the test charge. Electric field is defined as electric field vector E equal to electric force sub E over charge Q sub 0. Also note that the existence of an electric field is a property of its source. The presence of the test charge is not necessary for the field to exist. The test charge serves as the detector of the electric field. An electric field exists at a point if a test charge at the point experience an electric force. Once the electric field is known at the same point, the force on any particle with charge q placed at the point can be calculated from a rearrangement of equation 19.3. The force on the particle with charge q placed in an electric field E is electric force sub E is equal to Q or charge Q electric field vector E. Once the electric force on a particle is evaluated, its motion can be determined by the particle under the net force model or the particle in equilibrium model, or the electric force may have to be combined with the other forces acting on the particle, and that techniques of earlier chapters can be used to find the motion of the particle. Consider a point charge Q located a distance r from a test particle with charge Q sub 0 according to Coulomb's law. The force exerted on the test particle by Q is by Q. Electric field due to the point charge Q at the distance r from the charge is electric field vector E is equal to K sub E times Q over R raised to 2 times R, where R is a unit vector directed from the charges toward the point in question. The electric field is directed radically Radially, outward from the positive charge is distracted toward a negative charge. The electric field due to a group of charge can be obtained using the superposition principle. That is, the total electric field equals the vector sum of the electric fields of all charges at some point. Therefore, the electric field at point P of a group of source charges can be expressed as thank you. That's all for electric fields.